Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to another educational video of building a house here in Ghana. If it is your first time seeing this project, this is the Aburi project, which is a 4-bedroom house sitting on a half plot of land in Aburi. So this project belongs to, I would say, a very good friend of mine, who has been a subscriber here on the channel, went through the stages of building a house through the channel, and he also is doing it for himself, right? So he is doing more with this project. I mean, he is more involved in the step-by-step process of building a house. In my previous episode, which is episode 12, we did look at the total cost of the structure, how much it has cost him from foundation to this stage. And I mean, I have all the step-by-step process and the cost estimate at every stage, all the way from foundation till this stage in my playlist. So if you go to my playlist and you look for Aburi project, you'll see how we started with this project and where we are now. I mean, you can see there's been a lot of updates, right? You see there's electricity there now. There is also a borehole, and the ground floor, as you can see, is plastered. And I mean, there's electricals, everything fitted already. And now the focus is to go with the second floor, which we are working on the decking at this moment. So the owner don't want to go with roofing. So instead of, the cost of roofing, he wants to have, a concrete, so it's going to be like a rooftop terrace, right? Which comes with a swimming pool also. So watch out for that, right? So, I mean, this video is, like I said, it is more like motivational, where this person is doing it himself, right, with the help of, some few artisans. As I always preach, you can get the artisans yourself. And with some of our videos here, if you watch it, you get the idea and you know what you have to do at every stage, right? So that's what this person is doing. We share ideas a lot, we call, we discuss how things will go. I mean, and he is doing it himself, right? He is doing it himself, right? And that has been something I have been preaching here on the channel. I believe everybody can, be part of, his or hers, construction. I mean, the professionals have to do their work, but you can play a major role by doing, making some decisions, right? How you want things to be done, right? So it was a 4-bedroom house, but I mean, he was able to create another, guest house for the house helper, right? Which makes it 5 bedrooms and also have outside kitchen. I mean, all of those is in my episode. So if you go there, you understand more about this particular project and also the total cost of this particular project.
Good morning. Yo. Salas, you see, Dr. Fix It, Metimeter 2, 302. When you see 302, sir, you see, Bakubia makes 100 bags. And I'm at all rubber non so preco. And I'm at nails 3 inches, box 3, 4 inches, 3, no, so all nails bebre to bebre all nails cement no so bia almost set no so ko mo be ye adwuma pa nti metimi ato we ne ba kwa abeka kanya mi ase kaka me be dwane agyawa no nti we de mesrawa iro hona enyi fro cement no so and a pen with a shed and yet me bumpire some baby and temna ye use yes a bakey. Why? That's it. Bye. I'm into let's go. So, Chief, this is how far we've reached, and now our 3-phase light is here. Ooh, forgot to show you. the mountains. So this is how far we've gotten to. Gotten to the next stage, the final decking, and the open top. So you're welcome to the villa, MacBook Villa. Okay, so we're done with the downstairs, and we are beginning the next level. So I'm done with the boarding. Okay, this is a master bedroom, and all the materials are ready to go. Tomorrow they will come again, line up these 2x4s and prepare for the decking in about a couple of weeks time. You know, like I said from the beginning of this video, it's time, guys, time, one step at a time. This December will make it a third year since we started. We started like December 21, 2022, so like 2.5 years now. And like I said from the beginning, the project is done as and when. This wasn't part of the project, so we added this is the outside kitchen actually down there, and this is like the quarters for the maid or the house help. This is the back stairs. Elgigogh, let's go. This is the back. That is the septic tank and the soak away, or the soak away. So this is the stairs that goes to the outside kitchen. And ew, you remember this cave? Okay, so this is the outside kitchen at Gigo, and on top of the outside kitchen is the single room for the maid. Now, this is the back of the house, so this stairs goes up here and goes here for the house help. And on top of this house help building is where the swimming pool is going to be at. And this initially wasn't part of the building. This is my wall, as you can see. This is the wall, and I've used the wall to build my wife's outside kitchen, you know, and the maid apartment. Okay, let's go. So guys, everyone can build. Everyone can build. You have to take your time. Don't rush. No stress. Like I've been telling you guys, if I have money, I pay to my contractors and then they get my materials ready for me. And the wood, I rented them instead of buying them outright. I saved almost like 50% of the cost of buying them. Almost 60%, because you rent them at 40% of your cost. If you want to continue the construction, you know, you can buy them, which is quite prudent. But after this level, I'm not going any further, so there's no need to buy these materials. Okay, let's go, let's do it. And ooh, lest I forget, the view. Let's go. Nature is beautiful. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.
So that was the owner for you taking us through, the house, giving us an update. So in my next episode, we will be showing you the completion of the decking and also the cost estimate. We already know how much it cost before the decking, which was in episode 12. You can check it out. So then we'll add what has to be done, and then we know the final cost of the whole structure. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.